First, personal pronouns. Second, indefinite pronouns. Third, relative pronouns. Fourth, intensive pronouns. Fifth, demonstrative pronouns. Sixth, interrogative pronouns. And seventh, reflexive pronouns. Today, we are going to discuss about personal pronouns. So, personal pronouns are divided based on various types. We will understand them first. Personal pronouns are firstly divided based on point of view. So what exactly is a point of view? Basically, there are 3 points of view in English. First person, second person and third person. Let me explain you with a simple example. Suppose Ram and Shyam are in a room. If Ram is telling something to Shyam about Richa, which is not present in the room, then in this case, Ram is the first person as he is the person who is speaking. Shyam is the second person as he is the person who is listening to Ram. And Richa is the third person as she is not present in the room while they are talking. And Ram may be talking to Shyam like this. I am telling you that she is very intelligent. Okay, this is the point of view. Please remember it. First person, second person and third person. Personal pronouns are then divided based on forms. There are 2 forms, singular and plural. Singular is used if we are talking about only one person or thing, and plural is used if we are talking about more than one person or thing. Personal pronouns are further divided into 3 types: subjective, possessive and objective. Subjective. It is used for addressing subject. I, we, he, she, who and they are examples of subjective pronouns. Possessive. It is used to show ownership. My, mine, our, ours, his, her, hers, their, theirs and whose are the examples of them. And objective. Objective is used for addressing objects. Me, us, him, her, them and whom are the examples of objective pronouns. Let's quickly review the 3 different ways in which personal pronouns are divided. They are divided based on 3 types of person: first person, second person and third person. 2 types of forms, singular form and plural forms. And further divided into 3 types: subjective, possessive and objective. Okay, now we will look into each person separately to understand this pronoun. First person. What is it? It represents the person speaking. Remember the example of Ram, which was the first person, Shyam, which was the second person, and Richa, which was the third person that we discussed. So, first person represents the person who is speaking. It is divided into 2 parts, singular and plural, and 3 types: subjective, possessive and objective. Now, for subjective, I is used for singular form and we is used for plural form. For possessive, my, mine are used in singular form and our, ours are used in plural form. And for objective, me is used in singular form and us is used in plural form. Let's look into the examples of some of them. Singular form. I am a good swimmer. Here, I is used as subject and is a singular form. Plural form. We are a team of good swimmers. Here, we is used as a subject and is a plural form. Now let's look into second person. Second person. It represents the person who is listening. In the second person, Singular and plural form are the same and they are divided into subjective, possessive and objective types. Now for subjective, you is used as singular or plural form. For possessive, your and yours is used as singular or plural form. And for objective, you is used as a singular or plural form. Let's look into the sentence example. Singular form. You like cooking. Here, you is used as a singular form and as a subject. You all are great cook. Here, you is used as a plural form as we are addressing more than one cook and it is used as a subject. Now let's look into third type of pronouns. Third person. It represents the person or thing other than the first person and second person. They are divided into singular form and plural form and further divided into subjective, possessive and objective. For subjective, he, she, it is used for singular form and they is used for plural form. For possessive, he, her and hers is used for singular form and their and theirs is used in plural form. And for objective, him, her and it is used for singular form and them is used in plural form. Let's look into the sentence example of third person. Singular form. He reads newspaper regularly. Here, he is used as a third person, as a subject in singular form. Plural form. They read newspaper regularly. Here, while referring to more than one person, we used they and it is used as a subject. Now let's again quickly review this chart which we have covered in this video. I, me, my, mine is used for singular form in the first person. We, us, our, ours is used for plural form in the first person. You, your, yours is used for singular form and plural form in the second person. He, she, it, him, her, hers, it is used for singular form in third person and they, them, their, theirs is used for plural form in third person.